Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start by enabling multi-window and getting both sources ready. Open YouTube TV, then open the other app or browser tab you want to view. On Android, swipe up and long press the app icon to choose split screen. On iPad, you slide over or split view. On smart TVs, check picture-in-picture options. Once done, position YouTube TV in one pane and the second source in the other so you can control playback independently. Now arrange each pane and manage playback. Drag the split divider to balance screen space. Choose roughly 50/50 for equal view or favor one pane for clarity. Make sure to set audio priority. Mute the background app or select a different audio output if available, because simultaneous audio can be confusing. Use YouTube TV's player to change quality or captions while using the other app's controls separately. This keeps both streams responsive and avoids unintended interruptions. Finish by locking the layout and confirming controls work as expected. Pin or lock the split view where possible, and test play, pause, and captions on each side so you know which remote or touch control affects which stream. If you encounter stutter, blank screens, or audio fights, restart the apps or the device and re-enable split mode. If problems persist, update both apps and check permissions for picture-in-picture and multi-window in system settings to restore full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.